So this is the connecting and unboxing of the particle argon kit. So when you open up the particle argon kit, it comes with some resistors and lights, a little card, a box with the argon itself. There's a Wi-Fi connector, and there is a USB cable, breadboard, and other components. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take out the argon, which is this little piece right here, and then you're going to attach it to the breadboard, and then you're going to attach the Wi-Fi antenna. And then once you've got all that hooked up, you can finally plug in your power source. I plugged mine into my laptop, which I'm recording on right now. And then you're gonna go onto your smartphone. It doesn't matter if it's Android or Apple, and you're gonna download an app called Particle IoT. And you're gonna open up this app. You can make an account or you can skip it. It's your preference. And you're going to scan the little barcode or QR code that's right here on your device. It's going to run you through a process of connecting your argon to your Wi-Fi. So you're going to have to find your Wi-Fi, type in the passcode if you have a passcode. And then once that goes through, you're going to give your argon a name, and then you're going to pull up your app on the smartphone, and there's going to be like a little tinker thing. I don't know if you can see that, but the little tinker option for your device, you can make settings for it, and ultimately it will come out when you press the button on your phone. It'll turn that light on and off and on and off. And I can show you right here on the app too. I don't know if it'll focus. Little red dot, so you're going to click that. And so yeah, that is the unboxing and setup of the particle argon. One more thing is that this is the Wi-Fi antenna, and it plugs into right here. It actually says Wi-Fi on the argon. And then, of course, there's a plug-in for your micro USB to your power source. And that's it. Thank you.